Hey guys, so I'm filming and this is gonna be my second video. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me quarantine edition part 2. I told you I'm gonna do different makeup looks, like maybe I want to try to aim for like 30 different makeup looks or whatever and use up all my makeup and see what we get. So I'm gonna start foundation. Whoa. Just gotta try. Your time limit is supposed to be I'm gonna try, you already know, Anastasia. And I'm going to use, let's see, Havana again. I really liked it. So I'm gonna sculpt my face. So one right there, one right there, here, and here. So like I kind of wanted to cut. I don't know why I shook it. It's a cream palette. What is there to shake? Mind you, mind you, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? So like I'm just doing this is because what I think I should do. So please don't judge me. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the, hi Bella, my dog is here. I'm gonna use the Too Faced concealer and it's in light beige again. And then I'm going to highlight this. And then I'm going to highlight this. And then here, here, whoa, and here, but not too much, you know, just a little bit. I look scary. Oh. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and the MAC Fix lotion, and I'm gonna do the whites, like the lighter part first. So blend it in, blend it in. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing, like from watching tutorials and then putting my own 2 cents in. That's what I think looks good, and I don't know. But for my last video, nobody liked it, so I don't know if I'm doing okay. So this video, since I think it's gonna be another 15 minutes, I'm gonna chop it off where I finish my foundation because I think my foundation is what takes the longest. Wow, that looks great, doesn't it? Wow, I have cheekbones, like they're more lifted. And if you guys want to know how I have these cheekbones like this, it's from doing something. So like if you guys like the video, if you guys like this video and you guys want to see the next video, like how I can get like high cheekbones like this, like the video and I'll make it. Okay, so now that I've added all of that, I'm going to seal the cream contour because I just like, I just feel like it sets the powder with the Smashbox powder contour. And I'm gonna use the color, I'm gonna use, well, it says highlight, but yeah, well, I'll highlight it a little bit and then just go on the parts where you did So it just sets it, and just do a little bit. You don't have to do too much. Same with the other side. And I like to do it in a circular motion. And not too much either, because, and then use that scissors just to brush the top of your forehead. That's it. And then I'm going to brush my whole face with the Too Faced powder, just a little bit, just to set everything. Make sure you get your neck. I don't know if I'm sitting back right. Okay. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. So eyebrows, I'm just gonna brush them up and down. This is all I know. I'm not good at eyebrows, please. Don't judge. I am going to draw them. Oops. Draw them like light feather hair strokes. Like that. See? And then do the other side. And it'll just be light feather strokes. Did I just like miss the mark right there? What was I doing? What am I doing? Okay, this side is good, but this side it needs. Wow, I am too good. I'm so happy about doing this makeup because I used to love doing makeup before, and I just stopped for like a year and just not wear makeup. I was just very, you know, lotion, and but ever since starting to do makeup again, I'm so happy. Wow. I'm gonna use the brow gel color, Ebony, and the clear on top. These two are, got them from Sephora if you guys want to know. So you guys can get it there. Make sure you take very little, because, okay, well, it depends on you, but I just take very little. I don't like too much. Like, see, that's what happens when you get too much. Let's see here, brush up, and then down. I'm not going to do the clear today. I'll just use a dry brush again. I didn't realize that I didn't turn on the camera, so I already did my makeup and I thought I was filming and it wasn't. Luckily, I have just a side view of what I was putting on my face, but I'm going to explain to you guys again what I put on my face. Oh, I'm so angry that I didn't film it. So what I start, oh, I'm so upset. So I'm just gonna stuff. I'm going to use Faith and just put it on my eyelids. This one on my eyelids. And then I'm going to use extra butter I'm gonna use extra butter on my lids. And then draw the line with lethal, which is right here. I'm just drawing the line. Same with the other side. And I'm going to draw the bottom, the waterline. Because I'm not going anywhere. And then I would highlight the top with blow. So I'll just take one of the sparkly brush and just tap a little bit of blow and just highlight it a little bit. Then I would just highlight my whole face with crown right here, and then just brush my cheekbones down, and then enhance my face with the halo and a little bit here, and then I would do solstice here, a little bit on my cheekbones too. Has like a pearly color. Then I would finish it off with the lip, which is the Anastasia liquid lipstick and called Stripped. As you can see, I already put a little bit on already. I'll put a little bit more on because yeah. And that's my makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of it so far? Brush anything? There you go. Yes. So what do you guys think? I think I should do a thumbnail. Because no. Like this. I really like this makeup look though. I think I can see, like, I'm starting to like shadows now, like a lot. Like they're so beautiful. Yeah, so I got these two, and I'll just use these two. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Click the notification button on to see if whenever I'm posting it'll show up. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you come back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.